Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shreya this side. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I will be talking about vitamin C serum because I get comments and Instagram DMs like कि कौन सा सीरम यूज़ करना चाहिए फॉर हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन, स्कार्स, स्पॉट्स, एक्ने के लिए एंड उनको कैसे यूज़ करना चाहिए, किन के स्किन टाइप के अकॉर्डिंग कौन सा सीरम सही रहेगा. सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट ऑल दिस. सो वीडियो के एंड तक ज़रूर बने रहिए एंड विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स जस्ट मूव इनटू द मेन पार्ट. So I was suffering from dullness, uneven skin texture, dry and flaky skin due to harsh weather conditions. And as a makeup artist and beauty influencer, I really can't bear all this as I have to try various beauty products on my skin. But fortunately my hands got on Be Soulfull Drops of Brilliance Brightening Serum with Vitamin C, which is extract with niacinamide and licorice root. It's a brightening serum which is infused with a cocktail blend of natural extracts and antioxidants to form which hydrate and strengthening the skin's natural barrier. It is suitable to all types of skin. Also its aloe vera and turmeric extract which moisturize the skin, help treat burns, acne and dry skin, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. Also free from parabens, silicones, sulfates and mineral oil. Also this serum helps to reduce discoloration and evens out skin tone. Its nourishing drops helps to strengthen skin barrier, makes smooth texture and gets smoothly absorbed into skin, and brightens, hydrates and heals the skin to provide natural glow. Look at the glow it has given me. Also it can be used before makeup as pre-makeup skincare. So that's all for the video. I recommend you guys to use Be Soulfull Vitamin C Serum with my 100% trust. I know you guys will get effective results very soon if you use this serum. And if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon and comment below if you want more such videos like this, more such reviews and more such recommendation videos like this. And I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.